Alright guys, Chris here with RonBootsFarm. Today we're going to be mowing and pruning fruit trees. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're over here in the Manure Garden area. I'll post a card up if you haven't seen our first video on this, but as you can see, the rains and now that the warm weather's gotten here, this area has gotten grown up. The donkeys can't get in here anymore due to the fence we put up. Again, this is going to be our orchard area down the road, so we're going to get in here and do some mowing and see if we can't get some of these weeds pulled out of here and get some more mulch down, and then we'll get over there by the fruit trees and prune off some suckers. All right, time to start mowing. So we got the tractor out. Lawn tractor. Alright, everything's mowed over here. If you're wondering why I left these little circle of flowers here, I just left that for the bees. Next time I mow in here, I'll probably mow that down once the flowers are played out. Also left this little group over here. I'm not sure exactly what these weeds are, but these purple flowers, the bees and butterflies seem to love them, so I left that little group there. Put some more mulch on the manure garden, pulled a few weeds and put some more mulch. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Again, this is not going to be a permanent garden spot, just a place to throw some stuff in the ground. And I'm going to go get the wheelbarrow and the rake. I use the mower to blow all this grass over in some piles, and I'm going to rake that up and wheelbarrow that over here and use that as for some mulch as well. Again, I'm not worried about the grass seeds or anything getting in this area because I won't be planting in here long term. So we're going to do that, and we're going to grab the limb loppers and come over here and prune some of the fruit trees. over here on this about this existing peach tree that was here when we bought the property. As you can see, it's got some suckers coming up from the bottom. So we're going to get over here and prune these off. And then down there, if you can see that other peach tree, it's got some kind of other thorny bush coming up at the bottom. We're going to get it chopped down as well. Alright guys, got that cleaned up. I'm going to load these branches up and take them over to the goat pen, throw them in there for the goats to munch on.